Okay, guys. So today we went to Salcedo Market. It's located in Salcedo Village, Makati City in Metro Manila. And as you can see, ang daming tao this weekend, no? Pero manageable pa rin. I came here at around siguro mga 9:30. I did not bring my car because I predicted na mahihirapan ako sa parking. Although I did not explore the areas for parking. Pero nung pauwi ako, I saw that there may be parking doon sa may marketplace and doon sa may Paseo Center. I'm not so sure if pinapayagan doon mag-park. Now anyway, as we can see here, no, so ang dami talagang tao. Pero sa sobrang dami ng products nila, as in talagang matutuwa ka. So we can see na meron silang fresh vegetables here, meron silang fruits, no? Ang dami talaga namimili at ang dami rito na foreigners. And I can see all of them na pamilya yung pumupunta rito. They offer fresh seafood. Ayan, makikita nyo. Tapos, iba-iba yan, no? Medyo pricey yung iba, but it's expected. Kasi they offer naman very varied seafood, no? And then you have here yung mga inihaw na mga seafood. They also offer it there. What I like about this place is very authentic yung mga products na nandyan, no? So you will see, may mga taga Pampanga, may taga Cavite, may taga Batangas, and they're all offering the best of the products in their place, no? So, ayun, mag-e-enjoy ka talaga. Ang dami ko nakita ng mga magbabarkada. Nakakatuwa sila. Parang they came prepared, no? Na nakabihis sila, nagkukuhaan ng pictures, and yun. So if you want to, just enjoy, you like strolling, looking for possible things to buy, I encourage you to come here. Ang dami rin nilang ang sasarap na food, no? Nakita ko lechon from Cebu. They have roast meat, smoked meat. Yan, nakikita natin, sinachapa yan. It looks so juicy. So yummy, no? Pag tinignan mo. Nakakatuwa dito, may mga fruit stands na merong mesa. Meron na naka-prepared na sliced up fruits, no? They offer food na naka-containers na ready to eat. Iba-iba talaga. Delicacies from their towns, no? So, kakatuwa talaga. Ang dami dito. Bread, nakabili ako ng sourdough bread dito. Nakabili ako ng tablea from Batangas. Ayan. And ang dami kong ulam, no? I came here kasi dahil I wanted to buy food for the week. So, naisip ko na bumili na lang ng ready to eat na food. So, come here and try it.